This is TWiT.
Let's start with what you can still do for your mom.
Yes.
This is what I enjoy. Annually, I enjoy making a Mother's Day movie for you, where you are the mother, and then all the people that work here are your children. So
this is with Google Photos.
Yeah. So we just go to movies. Yeah, this is Google Photos, and I go to Mother's Day movie, and then I say get started. And then it says
you have
select
to say who the mother
a mother.
is.
So Leo is the mother, and then it says select children. So let's collect all of the people that I have pictures of.
So it doesn't complain about this. It just says, yeah, that's good.
Yeah, I mean, people can look however they want to look.
Yeah, there's
mothers
Patrick.
come in all shapes and sizes.
He's a father, new father.
Oh yeah, you're also Lisa's mother in this video.
Okay, Jerry's mother.
And we'll just go. I have a lot of pictures.
Karsten's mommy.
Kevin, of course.
Kevin's mommy.
Russell.
Are you my mommy?
Burke.
Okay, that's enough.
How many
children? How many children do I need?
Oh, Moses.
Mo.
That's your only child that carries a gun.
Yeah.
And wait, did I miss somebody?
Not strictly true, but okay.
And maybe Donald Trump too. Okay. And then it will take a while.
It's going to find all the pictures.
And so I pre-made it, and I edited it, and I saved it in my Apple photos. So here it is. I added music.
Well, you're crossing the streams there, man. Apple. You got your Google Photos and
yeah, okay. And so here it is. I added music to it. Unfortunately, the only music I had was a Taylor Swift that I owned.
They provide music usually.
I know, but I wanted to add my own music.
Oh, okay.
And so here it is, your Mother's Day gift from me to you.
Oh, this is appropriate.
I know, isn't it?
Yeah.
Do you remember when Taylor Swift wasn't on Apple Music? That's why I had to rip this CD.
Oh.
There you are, contemplative. So there's a lot of pictures of you.
Because I'm the mother.
And all your kids. And the cow.
If you were actually these people's mothers, you might be really excited about this, right?
You're not excited about this? Look at all the happy memories we've had together. Mom, you've been a great mother to us all these years. And as you can see, you can add live photos. And videos in there, you screaming at your iPhone.
Yeah. Oh,
and
that's sweet. That's sweet.
Yeah, so there you go. And then you can send it to your mom, and your mom would really...
Is that a dead body?
Yeah, and then here's the augmented reality portion of the movie.
Oh, that's nice.
I worked really hard on this. There you are with all your
You did work so hard. Actually, you didn't do anything because you saw what she did.
I didn't. I added the music.
You just... Oh, that is cute. There's a tiger in your tank. Yeah. Well, that's fun.
Yeah, I deleted some photos.
So you can go back and clean it up.
Yeah, I cleaned it up a little bit. I mean, I didn't want to add any embarrassing. I added
Who's that tiny person?
Tiny Buzz Aldrin.
Tiny Buzz Aldrin.
Because I know he's also one of your children.
In our hall?
I don't know. So there it is, and then it has that little Happy Mother's Day at the end. I'm going to do that every year.